Sure. Here's a great detailed summary of everything we just covered, explained in the simplest way possible, step by step, like teaching a total beginner or child. Chop summary. How to get better at addition. 1. Why is addition important? Addition means putting numbers together. Example, 3 plus 2 will 5. It is the most important math skill. If you know how to add well, you will also find subtraction easier, multiplication easier, division easier. Everything in math starts with good addition skills. 2. The first skill. Add two numbers quickly in your head. When you see two numbers, your brain should say the answer fast without thinking too much. Example, you see 5 plus 7, your brain says 12 instantly. You see 15 plus 12, your brain should say 27. 3. The stop your mind trick. This is a fun trick to check if your brain adds automatically. Example, I say 12 plus 7. I say, stop, don't think. But your brain already says 19 before you stop it. That's what we want. Your brain should automatically say the total. 4. Practice builds speed. The more you practice, the faster your brain gets. Start with easy numbers, then slowly move to harder ones. 5. Easy steps to practice addition. Step 1. Start with small numbers. Example, 2 plus 3 equal 5. Keep doing this until your brain answers fast. Step 2. Add 2-digit and 1-digit numbers. Example, 25 plus 6 equals 31. Add the tens part, 20, plus 6 equals 26, then add the rest. Step 3. Add two 2-digit numbers. Use this trick. Break the numbers into tens and ones. Example, top 58 plus 36, 50 plus 30 equals 80, 8 plus 6 equals 14, 80 plus 14, 94. This is called the break and add method. 6. Examples for practice. 43 plus 27, 40 plus 20 equals 60. 3 plus 7 equals 10, total equals 70. 88 plus 73, 80 plus 70 equals 150. 8 plus 3 equals 11, total equals 161. 57 plus 95, 50 plus 90 equals 140. 7 plus 5 equals 12, total equals 152, minus 78 plus 88, 70 plus 80 equal 150. 8 plus 8 equals 16, total, you've heard 67. 7. Final tips. Practice small sums every day. Use the break and add method. Challenge your brain with bigger sums slowly. Don't guess, build your number sense. Over time, your brain will react instantly when it sees numbers. In simple words, if you practice adding numbers the right way, your brain will start giving you the correct answers fast, like magic. And when you become good at addition, all other types of math will become easier too. Would you like me to create a daily plan with short practice problems using this method? I can also give you fun tricks and games to speed up your brain. Sure. Here's a great detailed summary of the passage you gave in the simplest English possible with extra clarity and added examples, like teaching a complete beginner or child. Super simple and detailed summary. Main point. If you want to be good at math or aptitude exams, you must train your brain to quickly add 2-digit numbers, like 74 plus 87, just as easily as you can add small numbers, like 7 plus 5. Why is this important? Right now, when you see a sum like 88 plus 78, your mind may slow down or get stuck. But that's not because big numbers are too hard. It's because you haven't practiced enough to make your brain react quickly to such numbers. Think of a small child. A 5-year-old child might struggle to add 12 plus 7. They will use fingers or a counting tool, like an abacus. It takes time and effort. You find 12 plus 7 very easy now, because you practiced it long ago. Similarly, when you face 888 and feel stuck, it's the same kind of struggle, just at a higher level. With practice, it becomes easy. You didn't learn 12 plus 7 instantly. You practiced. You also didn't learn to ride a cycle in one day. You practiced. The same is true for adding big numbers fast. It becomes easy when you train your brain daily. What should you do? You must train your brain to instantly react when you see two 2-digit numbers. Like this. 2-digit sum, what your brain should say instantly. 74 plus 87, 188 plus 73, 161, 57 plus 95 and 52, 45 plus 36, 81. This kind of fast reaction is not a talent. It's a muscle. And muscles grow when you practice. The big idea. Once you can say 74 plus 87, 161, just as fast as 7 plus 5 equals 12, then your mind is ready for faster, sharper math thinking, the kind you need in competitive exams. Final thoughts. The author is trying to tell you, don't avoid big number additions. Practice them till they become natural. That's how you grow from a basic learner to someone who can crack exams with confidence. Summary in one sentence. Big number addition is not hard. It just needs daily brain training. Once mastered, your whole math power grows faster. Would you like a step-by-step daily plan now to master this? I can create a fun schedule with tricks and examples. Here's a great detailed summary of the passage you gave, written in the simplest way possible, so even a total beginner can understand it clearly and completely. Main idea. SC, banking, etc. Fast calculation is one of the most powerful tools you can have. If you calculate slowly, you waste time. If you calculate quickly, you save time. And use that saved time to solve more questions, which means more marks and a higher score. Why calculation speed matters. In numerical or data interpretation questions, like graphs, tables, math problems, most students spend about 50% of their time just doing calculations, like adding, subtracting, multiplying. If these types of questions make up 30 to 40% of the exam, you could end up spending 18 to 20 just doing math in your head. If you improve your calculation speed, suppose you become 5 times faster at calculating. The time you spend doing the same math will drop to one-fifth of what it was before. So 18 minutes of calculation becomes just 3.6 minutes. 24 minutes becomes just 4.8 minutes. That means you save 14.4 to 19.2 minutes. What can you do with 19 extra minutes? That's enough time to solve 6 to 7 more questions. Each question gives 3 marks. So you gain 18 to 21 marks just by speeding up your mental math. Real-life comparison. A small child may struggle to do 12 plus 7 because he's just learning. You, as an exam aspirant, may struggle with 88 plus 78 or 67's 86. But just like the child gets better with practice, you also can and must practice 2-digit calculations until they become as easy as 5 plus 3 equals 8. Final summary. Keep explanation. You spend a lot of time doing math in exams. Around 50% of your time in numeric data questions goes into just calculation. Improving your calculation speed saves time. If you're 5 peps faster, you save 14 to 19 minutes. Time saved equals more questions solved. 6 to 7 extra questions, 15 to 20 more marks. Speed in mental math, big advantage. It can change your whole result. Practice makes it automatic. With enough training, 87 plus 94 will feel as easy as 7 plus 6. Would you like a fun daily practice plan and cool tricks to make your calculation speed faster? Just reply, yes, give me the plan, and I'll make the best one for you in super simple steps. Here is a very detailed, deeply clear, and simple summary of everything from the passage you shared, written like I'm teaching a total beginner or a child. I've broken it into clear parts to help you understand it completely, step by step. 1. Why this topic? In exams like UPSC, SSC, banking, CAT, etc., the first stage is the prelims exam. If you score just 15 to 20 extra marks, you can clear prelims and go to the mains exam in the same year. But if you miss by those 15 to 20 marks, you'll have to prepare again for another year. Key point. Just a little improvement in marks can save you a whole year of studying again. 2. Addition, the most powerful tool. Addition is called the mother of all calculations. That means it is the base or starting point of all other math. Subtraction, multiplication, percentages, time and work. profit and loss, even data interpretation. Key point. If you get better at addition, you get better at every type of math that comes in exams. 3. The goal of this chapter. The writer says this part of the book will show how being good at addition will help with all types of calculations, how to train your mind to add faster, smarter, and without writing. But before all that, you must first learn to add two-digit numbers fast in your head. 4. The traditional old way of adding. Let's take a simple example. 78 plus 86. The normal way. Text 78 plus 86, 164. Add 8 plus 6 equals 14. Write 4, carry 1. Add 7 to equals 15, plus carry equals 16. Final answer equals 164. Problem. This takes time, needs writing. You can't do it fast in your head during an exam. 5. The smart new way of adding. Now let's use the mental number line method. Break one number into easy parts. Example, 78 plus 86. Break 86 into 6 and 80. Now do it step by step. 78 plus 6 equals 84. 84 plus 80 equals 164. Done. No writing, no carry. This is how your brain can be trained to add in 2 quick steps without pen and paper. 6. Train your brain like this. Think of how you already know. 5 plus 11 is 16 instantly. Now do the same thing for two-digit numbers. Example, 58 plus 63, break 63 into 60 and 3, step 1. 58 plus 60 was 118. Step 2, 118 plus 3 was 121. Your mind will soon react automatically, just like it does for small numbers like 5 plus 11. Key point, with daily practice, your brain will learn to break numbers, add fast, save exam time. Ask for 7, next level, add many numbers mentally. Once you can do one pair of numbers easily, your next goal is to add many two-digit numbers quickly in your head. Example, 43, 56 plus 72, 1. Step by plus 56, 99, minus plus 72, 171, minus 1. No carry, no writing, just using mental. Final summary table. Skill, what it helped, 1.5 fast mental addition. Finish exams faster. No carry, no writing. Add in parts like 86, 86 makes big numbers easier. Mental practice makes the brain sharp. Multiple numbers in head, useful for DI, arithmetic, logic, everything. Conclusion, like a life lesson. You don't need to be a math genius. You just need to practice smartly. This simple change in the way you add can help you score 15 to 20 extra marks, save a whole year of exam prep, give you an edge over lakhs of students. Would you like me to give you a daily 10-minute plan to master this addition skill step by step? Just reply, yes, give me the plan, and I'll make it perfect for you. Here is a great detailed summary written in the simplest, clearest way possible, like teaching a total beginner or child with full understanding. Detailed, simple summary. How to get better at addition. This text is about how to become fast, and strong at addition, especially if you're preparing for exams or want to improve mental math. Let's break it into key ideas step by step. 1. Everyone starts with difficulties. When you begin practicing addition, you may feel it is difficult or slow. That is completely normal. Most people feel this at first. The text talks about what you will notice or experience in your brain when trying to add numbers. 2. Some additions feel harder than others. Why? Because of how your brain handles size and place values. Example, 121 plus 68 is easier than 189 plus 56. Why? Because 121 plus 68 equals 189. You stay in the 100s range. But 189.56 equals 245. Now your brain must jump to a new hundreds place, 200s, which takes more effort. Bigger numbers need more attention, more memory, and place value thinking, units, tens, hundreds, which is harder. 3. Small numbers are easier to start with. In the beginning, your brain feels more comfortable with smaller numbers. For example, 48 plus 27 is easier than 136 plus 56. And 136 plus 56 is easier than 543 plus 48. The bigger the numbers, the harder it is at first. Why? Because large numbers need more steps in your mind. 4. But practice makes it automatic. If you practice addition every day, your brain will start doing it automatically. You won't need to stop and think. The answer will just pop up in your head, like how you know your own name or how to read simple words. Half 5. That's the goal. Your target is to become so good that your brain gives answers to addition questions quickly and without effort, like a calculator inside your head. 6. Test for yourself. The circle challenge. Imagine 10 numbers written like a clock in a circle. You should be able to add them all in your mind in just 10 to 12 seconds. That's a sign your brain is fast at addition. 7. Until you reach that speed. Keep practicing. You should practice aggressively, which means regularly, every day. With full effort, no laziness, with focus. The faster you want to get, the harder you must work now. 8. Use a 10 times 10 addition table. Practice using a 10-10-10 table. 100 small additions like minus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, up to 10 plus 10. Do this at least once daily to train your brain. Final message. Addition may feel slow and hard at first, but with the right practice, your mind becomes faster and sharper. Your goal is to reach a level where addition becomes effortless and automatic. And this can be done by using daily practice, especially with small problems that grow bigger over time. Would you like me to give you a daily addition workout plan, create a printable 10 times 10 table, or teach you some fun tricks to speed up addition? I'm happy to help.
Absolutely. Let's now go even deeper into this idea of smart subtraction, step by step, in the simplest words so anyone can understand. I'll explain everything like you're learning this for the first time. We'll use clear examples and break every part down. First, what is subtraction? Subtraction means how much more is one number than another. For example, so 72 minus 38 means how much more is 72 than 38? Or you can think, what do I add to 38 to reach 72? The old way, school method, we were taught this. 7, 2, minus 3, 8. Borrow 1 from 7, it becomes 6. Add 10 to 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 8 equals 4. Minus 6 minus 3 equals 3. So answer equals 34. Problems. Takes time. Borrowing can be confusing, not easy to do in your head. New way, smart subtraction. Add up instead. Ask yourself, what should I add to 38 to reach 72? This is easier, faster, and works in your head. Let's do it to 72 minus 38. Start at 38. Now add in small, simple steps. 1. From 38 to 40, easy. Add 2. 38 plus 2 or 40. 2. From 40 to 70, add 30. 40 plus 30 equals 70. 3. From 70 to 72, add 2. Now add all those little steps. 2 plus 30 plus 2 equals 34. So 72 minus 38. See how easy that was? You only added! Ash, this smart. Why is this smart? This method uses small numbers, no borrowing, no confusion, easy to do in your head, works for big numbers too. Another example, 91 minus 46. Start at 46. 1. 46, 50 plus 4. 2, 50, 90 plus 40. 3, 90, 91 plus 1. Add 4 plus 40 plus 1's 45. So 91 minus 46 equals 45. Let's try with 3 digits. 823 minus 478. Start at 478. 1, 478, 400 plus 2. 2, 480, 500 plus 23, 500, 800, 300, 4, 800, 823 plus 23. Now add 2 plus 20 plus 300 plus 23, 345. So 823 minus 478 equals 345. And you never needed to do borrowing. Try one more. 642 minus 387. 1, 387 and 390 plus 3. 2, 390, 400 plus 10. 3, 400, 600 plus 200. 4, 600, 642 plus 42. Now add 3 plus 10 plus 200 plus 42, 255. So 642 minus 387 equals 255. Let's review the steps. Step, what you do. 1, start at the smaller number. Start at 38. the next round number, 38, 40 plus 2. 3. Add in tens or hundreds, 40, 70 plus 30. 4. Add up the leftovers, 70, 72 plus 2. 5. Add all small steps together, 2 plus 30 plus 2 equals 34. Summary, in the simplest way, subtraction just means how far is one number from another. The easiest way, start at the small number and add up to the big one. You'll only need easy numbers, like tens, 100s and small jumps, like 2, 3, 5. No borrowing needed. You'll be much faster and more confident. Practice tips. Start with easy numbers, like 52 minus 27. Break every problem into to next 10, to next 100 if needed, to final number. Add the steps. Final example, 1000 minus 764. 1. 764, 770 plus 6. 2. 770, 800 plus 30. 3. 800, 1000 plus 200. Add 6 plus 30 plus 200 equals 236. So 1000 minus 764 equals 236. Would you like a daily subtraction practice sheet, a chart of round number jumps, a game format to build your speed? I'll build it for you with love and care. Just say the word. Absolutely. Let's now learn subtraction using number line method in the simplest way, word by word, line by line, with zero confusion. Imagine I'm teaching subtraction before. That's how clear I'll make it. Let's begin. What is subtraction? Subtraction means how much more is one number than the other, or how far apart are two numbers. Let's use a story and a number line to make this super easy. Imagine a number line. A number line is like a ruler with numbers on it, like this: 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 70, 71, 72. You can walk on this number line from one number to another. This is like walking from one house to another house on a street. Example 1, 72 minus 38. Let's say you are standing at 38. You want to walk to 72. The question is, how many steps do you need to take? This is what subtraction really means. How far is 72 from 38? Step-by-step walk, 72 minus 38. Let's walk from 38 to 72 in easy steps. 1. Start at 38. Look for the first number that ends in a 2, like 42. Why? Because 72 ends in 2, and 42 is easy to work with. So first, 38, 42 equals plus 4 steps. Now you're at 42. 2. Now go from 42, 72 equals plus 30 steps. Now add all the steps together. 4 plus 30 equals 34. So 72 minus 38 equals 34. Why this works? Because on the number line, subtraction equals distance between. So 72 minus 8 equals distance from 38 to 7 equals 34. And we did it using small steps that are easy to add. Example 2, 95 minus 39. Let's walk it step by step. You are at 39, want to go to 95. 1. First go to a number ending in 5, that's 45. It's 39, 45 equals plus 6 steps. 2. Now go to 95. 45, 95 equals plus 50 steps. Now add steps. 6 plus 50, 56. So 95 minus 39, 56. Example 3, 177, to start at 83. Walk to 177. 1. First go to 87 to reach a number ending in 7, same as 177. For 83, 87 equals plus 4 steps. 2, now go to 177. 87, 177 equals plus 90 steps. Now add 4 plus 90 equals 94. So 177 minus 83 equals 94. Quick recap of the methods. Step, what you do. Example. Add all your small. 1. Stand on the smaller number, 38. 2. Walk to a nearby easier number like 42 plus 4. 3. Walk from there to the final number 30. 4. Add all your small steps. 4 plus 30 equals 34. Is powerful. Easy numbers only. No borrowing. No scary digits. Great for your brain. Builds mental math. Works for small and big numbers. Bonus. Use this trick anywhere. Even for this. 823 minus 478. 1, 478, 480 plus 2, 480, 500 plus 20, 3, 500, 800 plus 300, 4, 800, 823 plus 23. Now add 2 plus 23 to plus 23 equals or 345. So 83 minus 4 to 78 equals 345. Final words. You are a subtraction genius. Now, just remember, start from the smaller number, move in small, smart steps to the bigger number. Add those steps. That's your answer. Would you like practice problems using number line subtraction? A printable number line? Cartoon examples to make it more fun? Just tell me, I'll make it Absolutely. Let's go even more slowly, step by step, using super simple words and easy examples. I'll explain everything like you are just starting to learn subtraction. No big words, no hard steps, just clear and fun learning. What are we learning? We are learning an easy new way to subtract numbers. Most people use the borrowing method from school, like 813, 478. But that method can feel boring, slow, and tricky, right? Here's the good news. There is a faster and easier way to subtract numbers. We call it the number line method or distance method. Simple idea. Subtraction means how far apart are two numbers? Example, if I ask you, how far is 10 from 7? You say, it's 3 steps away. That's subtraction. Just like asking how many steps you need to walk from one number to another. Picture a number line like a straight road. Imagine this, 475, 476, 474, 478, 4479, 480, 421, 510, 511, 5112, 513, 514, 812, 8113. All the numbers are sitting on this road in order. Example 1, 813 minus 478. We want to find how far is 813 from 478. Step 1. Start at the smaller number. We are standing at 478 now. Now look to the right. You want to go to 813, but instead of jumping straight there, take small steps. Step 2, take small, easy steps. Step 2A, go from 478 to 483, because 483 is a nicer number, easier to use. 478, 483, 5 steps. Now we are at 483. Step 2B, go from 483 to 513. Why? Because 513 is in 13, just like 813. No, 483, 513 equals 30 steps. Now we are at 513. Step 2C, go from 513 to 813. That's the final jump. 513 equals 300 steps. Final step, add all the steps. Let's add minus 5 plus 30 plus 300, 335. So, 813 minus 478, 335. Same answer. Start at 478. Try this. Step 1, 500, nice round number. That's 22 steps. Step 2, 500, 513. That's 13 steps. Step 3, 513, 813. That's 300 steps. Add 22 plus 13 plus 300, 335. Same answer. Easy, right? Key trick. Try to reach a friendly number. When starting from a number like 478, look for a nearby round number, or a number that ends the final number, like 513 ends in 13. That makes adding easier. Another example, 738, 7211. Let's try another one step by step. Start at 211. We want to go to 738. Step 1, 211, 218. That's step 2, 218, 238. That's 20. We stop at 38 because it ends in 38, just like 738. Step 3, 38, 217, 38. That's plus 500. Add 7 plus 20, 500 equals 527. So 738 minus 2 are 527. Final tips for you. Think of subtraction like walking forward on a number line. Break the journey into small, easy steps. Add up the steps. That gives you the answer. Use friendly numbers like 100, 200, 500, or ones ending in 3, 5, or 0. Summary in super easy words. Step, what to do. Example. 1, start at smaller number at 478. 2, take small steps to nice numbers. 478, 483, 513, 813. Add all the steps. 5 plus 30 plus 300 equals 35. That's your final answer. 813 minus 478 equals 335. Would you like me to turn this into a printable worksheet, a mini poster, or even a short story with pictures? I'd love to help you even more. Let me know and I'll do it with love and clarity. Absolutely. Let's go even more slowly, step by step, using super simple words and easy examples. I'll explain everything like you are just starting to learn subtraction. No big words, no hard steps, just clear and fun learning. What are we learning? We are learning an easy new way to subtract numbers. Most people use the borrowing method from school, like 813, 478. But that method can feel boring, slow, and tricky, right? Here's the good news. There is a faster and easier way to subtract numbers. We call it the number line method or distance method. Simple idea. Subtraction means how far apart are two numbers? Example, if I ask you, how far is 10 from 7? You say, it's 3 steps away. That's subtraction. Just like asking how many steps you need to walk from one number to another. Picture a number line like a straight road. Imagine this, 475, 476, 474, 478, 4479, 480, 421, 510, 511, 5112, 513, 514, 812, 8113. All the numbers are sitting on this road in order. Example 1, 813 minus 478. We want to find how far is 813 from 478. Step 1. Start at the smaller number. We are standing at 478 now. Now look to the right. You want to go to 813, but instead of jumping straight there, take small steps. Step 2, take small, easy steps. Step 2A, go from 478 to 483, because 483 is a nicer number, easier to use. 478, 483, 5 steps. Now we are at 483. Step 2B, go from 483 to 513. Why? Because 513 is in 13, just like 813. No, 483, 513 equals 30 steps. Now we're at 513. Step 2C, go from 513 to 813. That's the final jump. 513 equals 300 steps. Final step, add all the steps. Let's add minus 5 plus 30 plus 300, 335. So, 813 minus 478, 335. Same answer. Start at 478. Try this. Step 1, 500, nice round number. That's 22 steps. Step 2, 500, 513. That's 13 steps. Step 3, 513, 813. That's 300 steps. Add 22 plus 13 plus 300, 335. Same answer. Easy, right? Key trick. Try to reach a friendly number. When starting from a number like 478, look for a nearby round number, or a number that ends the final number, like 513 ends in 13. That makes adding easier. Another example, 738, 211. Let's try another one step by step. Start at 211. We want to go to 738. Step 1, 211, 218. That's step 2. 218, 238, that's 20. We stop at 38 because it ends in 38, just like 738. Step 3, 38, 217, 38, that's plus 500. Add 7 plus 20, 500 equals 527. So 738 minus 2 are 527. Final tips for you. Think of subtraction like walking forward on a number line. Break the journey into small, easy steps. Add up the steps. That gives you the answer. Use friendly numbers like 100, 200, 500, or ones ending in 3, 5, or 0. Summary in super easy words. Step, what to do. Example. 1, start at smaller number at 478. 2, take small steps to nice numbers. 478, 483, 513, 813. Add all the steps. 5 plus 30 plus 300 equals 35. That's your final answer. 813 minus 478 equals 335. Would you like me to turn this into a printable worksheet, a mini poster, or even a short story with pictures? I'd love to help you even more. Let me know and I'll do it with love and clarity. Absolutely. Let's go even deeper into this method of adding big numbers with very clear, simple, step-by-step explanation, as if I'm teaching someone with zero math background. We will take it very slow, word by word, idea by idea, like the best teacher in the world would. Half the big problem. We are trying to add this. 57436 plus 64123 plus 4456 plus 78304, 843 plus 5836. Wow, that looks really long and confusing, right? But super easy and fun to solve. Think like this. Break the big number into small pieces. Each number, like 5746, is made of parts. Let's break it into place values. 5 is in 10,000s place. 5,000 is in the thousands place. 7,000. 4 is in the hundreds place. 400 minus 3 is in the tens place. 30. 6 is in the weeks. So 5746 equals 1,000 plus 7,000 plus 400 plus 6. We do the same thing with all the other numbers. But do we need to add everything at once? No. We start with only the biggest parts first, then move to the smaller parts later if we need to. Step-by-step plan. We will go step by step like this. 1, add the thousands and 10,000s. This gives us a big idea of the total. 2, add the hundreds. This makes the answer more accurate. 3, add the tens and ones. This gives the final exact answer. Let's do this now with our example. Step 1, add the thousands part, estimate the big total. We look at the first 2 digits of each number. Let's write them out. Full number, first 2 digits, thousands, 57436, 57, 64123, 64, 444586, 4478304, 78, 84653, 84, 5836, 5. Now we add these numbers. 57 plus 64, 101, 121 plus 44, 165, 178 equals 243, 243 plus 8, 320 plus 5, 332. So total thousands, 82. That means the total is about 3 to 2. Is this enough? If you're only trying to find which option is correct from a list, like in a multiple choice test, and all the answers are very far apart, you can stop here. But if the options are close together, or if you want the exact answer, let's go further. Step 2, add the hundreds part here in each number. We write just the hundreds. Full number, hundreds digit, 57436, 64131, 4445865, 78304, 384653, 6, 5836, 8. Now add 4 plus 1 equals 5, 5 plus 5 equals 10, equals 10, 10 plus 3 equals 13, 13 plus 6 equals 19, 19 plus 8. So we have 27 hundreds, which is 2d700. Now add this to your earlier total of 3332 2000, 3332 2000, 2700, 334700. Great, your total is now closer to the real answer, but we are still missing a little part, the last 2 digits, tens and ones. Step 3, add the last 2 digit tens, ones. Now let's look at the last 2 digits of each number. Full number, last 2 digits, 57436, 36, 64123, 23, 44586, 86, 7830404, 84653, 53, 5836, 36. Let's add them up. 36 plus 23 equals 59. 59 plus 86 equals 145. 145 plus 4, 149. 149 plus 53 equals 202. 202 plus 36 equals 238. So the last 2 digits add up to 238. So you now add this to 334700. 334700 plus 238. 334938. Final answer. 334938. What's so great about this method? 1. You only add small numbers 2 digit or less. 2. You don't have to use a calculator. 3. You can stop early if a rough answer is enough. 4. You don't get scared by big numbers anymore. A super simple example. Let's say you want to add 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 2, 6, 7, 5 plus 3, 4, 9, 2. Step 1. Add thousands. 1 plus 2 equals 6. 6,000. Step 2. Add hundreds. Now is 2 plus 6 plus 4 equals 12, 1200, 6,000 plus 1200 equals 7,200. Step 3, add tens and ones. 34 plus 75 equals 109. 109 plus 90 equals 199. 7200 plus 199 equals 77399. Final answer, 7399. Final tips. Always break big numbers into smaller parts. Thousands, hundreds, tens. Ones, add one part at a time. You only deal with easy numbers. Stop early if you just want a quick guess. Keep going if you want the exact answer. Would you like me to create a few practice problems using this same method and solve them with you?